All right. So I'm gonna talk about the HS35 by Corsair. For 39 bucks, I believe that this headset is great for the price point. I've been using Turtle Beaches for a while. I stopped using them for a year, used some off-brand headset on Amazon. Didn't really like too much bassy on that one. Ended up breaking this year. Um, so I had to get a new headset. I wanted to finally branch out and use a different brand. So I went back to branded, ended up getting Corsair's HS35 stereo, right? And for the price, like I said, 39.99 is pretty good. It comes with a detachable mic, comes with a mic cover if you're not using the mic. Um, it works on Xbox. It comes with an adapter for PC, so you can plug in both the mic if you're going to use it and not use one of these. And it comes with the normal sound. It supports Microsoft Windows, uh, Sonic headphones, so you can get that surround sound feeling. For music, I was able to hear 8 string guitar, low tones without it getting too muddy, and the bass. For reference, if you want to check out Buried Alive, check them out. That's what I heard first. I immediately went to that first because the amount of things going on in their songs might be too extreme for some people, but the amount of things going on for their songs, the fact that you can hear everything is perfect. Uh, I make music myself, um, not as crazy technical as them, but this has helped me as well. The quality, being able to hear low, high frequencies, keyboard stuff, guitar stuff, bass stuff, drums, kick pedal, snare. Being able to hear everything in its own frequency range is great when it comes to mixing and very important. As for gaming, I mean, sure, Call of Duty, you can hear footsteps. Fortnite, you can hear stuff. Overall, the sound just sounds clear. I don't know if any of you guys kind of get that because certain headsets, when you put it on, you hear mostly the bass or the lower frequencies. And with this headset, I feel like everything is equal to a sense. And what else? Yeah, I believe for 39 bucks, this headset's pretty good. It hasn't messed up on me. It's super comfortable. For those that are wondering, like, does it put pressure in the middle of your skull and you know, hurt? No, I've been gaming long hours or doing music all night, and I haven't really noticed that pressure that most headsets do. Um, it feels good. It has steel reinforcements on the sides right here when you move it up and down and whatnot. But other than that, yeah, I would say overall this headset's good. I'll post a link. I got it from Amazon. Link will be in the description if you want to check it out. They do have multiple colors. For my obviously my theme, purple and green. I went with the green ones. So, but they have red, black. I believe they have white or gray, one of those. Hopefully they add more in the future. They do have a wireless option, but that's, it's about 40 bucks higher than this. So if you want wireless, check that out because I believe most wireless headsets they're like in the 100 range, and to see one at 79 is a good deal. And if it sounds like this and it's wireless, I'd take it for those one. But yeah, this headset's pretty good. I haven't had any complaints about the mic quality when I'm on Xbox, so it doesn't sound like a gas station mic. If any of you guys are wondering about that, but yeah, link will be in the description if you want to check it out. Appreciate you guys for watching.